Now let's see this example. Construct regular expression for the following finite automata. So here a finite automata is given. So for this finite automata, we have to construct the equivalent regular expression. So here there are three steps. The first step is we have to construct state equations based upon the incoming edges. The second step is we have to add epsilon to the initial state equation. The third step is we need to simplify. Here we have two final states. So we need to simplify these two final states state equations, and the union of these two state equations will become the regular expression for the corresponding finite automata. So the first step is construct state equations for all the states based on the incoming edges. So here the first state is Q1. So Q1 equal to, so for Q1 we have one incoming edge. Incoming edge means arrow will be towards the state. So for Q1 we have one incoming edge. So Q1 dot, so with the input symbol 0, Q1 dot 0. Here Q1 is the initial state. So before Q1 we have arrow symbol. So for the initial state, state equation, we have to add epsilon. Next state is Q2. So Q2 state equation is, for Q2 we have two incoming edge. So one edge is from Q1 state, another edge is from Q2 only. So Q1 with the input symbol 1. So Q1 dot 1 plus Q2 dot 1. Q2 dot 1. Next one is Q3. Q3 equal to, so from Q2 we have one incoming edge. So Q3 equal to Q2 dot 0 plus, so from Q3 we have self loop. So we have two edges. So Q3 dot 0 plus Q3 dot 1. So these are the first two steps. So the first step is construct the state equation based on the incoming edge. The second step is add epsilon to the initial state equation. And now we have to see the third step. What is the third step? Here there are two final states such as Q1 and Q2. So we have to simplify Q1 and Q2 state equations, and the union of Q1 and Q2 will become the regular expression for this finite automata. Suppose if we have only one final state, then that final state simplified regular expression will become the result. But here we have two final states. So that's why we have to make union on those two regular expressions. So first let us simplify Q1. Directly we can simplify Q1 here. So let us simplify Q1 first. So Q1 equal to Q1 dot 0 plus epsilon. Here we need to perform the simplification with the help of Arden's method. So here we are converting finite automata into the regular expression with the help of Arden's theorem. So we know about Arden's theorem. Arden's theorem means if a regular expression is in the form R is equal to Q plus RP, then the solution is R is equal to QP star. So if you see here, R value is Q1, Q value is epsilon, P value is 0. So here what is the solution? R is equal to QP star. Here R means Q1. So Q1 equal to QP star. Epsilon into P means 0. So epsilon into 0 star. We know the formula. Epsilon into any regular expression is nothing but that regular expression only. So epsilon into 0 star is nothing but 0 star only. Now let us simplify Q2. So directly we can simplify Q2. Why? Because here the Q2 formula is Q1 dot 1. Already we know about Q1 regular expression. Plus Q2 dot 1. So here what is this one? This one is Q2. So directly we can simplify here. So in this problem there is no need to simplify Q3. Why? Because here the final states are only Q1 and Q2. Suppose if Q3 is also the final state, then we need to simplify Q3. So next, Q2 equal to, here for calculating Q1 and Q2, there is no need of Q3. So Q1 and Q2 are not depending on the Q3. So there is no need to compute Q2. So there is no need to compute Q3. Why? Because Q1 and Q2 states are not depending on the Q3. So Q2 equal to Q1 dot 1 plus what is the formula? Q2 dot 1. So Q1 dot 1 plus Q2 dot 1. So now substitute Q1 value in Q2. So already we know the Q1 value. So substitute Q1 value in Q2. So we can write it as Q2 equal to, what is Q1? Q1 equal to 0 star. So 0 star into 1 plus Q2 into 1. So if we observe this equation, it is in the form of R is equal to Q plus RP. So here R means Q2. R means Q2. So this 1 is nothing but P. This 0 star 1 is nothing but Q. So R is equal to Q plus RP. So now what is the solution? If your regular expression is in the form R is equal to Q plus RP, then the solution is R is equal to QP star. So here what is R? Q2 equal to QP star. What is Q? 0 star 1 into P star. So P star means 1 star. So now what is Q1 regular expression? 0 star. What is Q2 regular expression? 0 star 1 1 star. So here the final states are Q1 Q2. So now the regular expression is the union of these two regular expressions. So what is the first one? 0 star plus Q2 regular expression 0 star 1 1 star. Suppose if only Q2 is the final state, then the regular expression is only Q2 regular expression, that is 0 star 1 1 star. So in this way we can convert a finite automata into the regular expression. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and please like the video. Thanks for watching.